Hey guys, long time no mouse contents. I am currently working on my Filipino channel and transferring all my Tagalog contents and reviews there. So anyways, let's go ahead and check these two interesting HOTSWAP wireless mouse. This is the Pulse Elite from a local brand called Tecware. This was released early last year and it sells pretty well up until now. It's an OEM fully modular G Pro wireless inspired, or should I say a copycat shape. It uses a Pixar 3370 sensor, which is a solid sensor next to the 3395. With a 400 milliamps battery that will last up to 50 hours, RGB LEDs around the back and another one from the inside. And it weighs around 70 grams using the honeycomb shells for the price of 2,400 pesos or 50 bucks. It's a solid budget wireless mouse for both gaming and productivity. On the other hand, this mouse was just recently released called Bulus, also made by a local brand called RAKK or RAKK Gears. A much lower level specs and features compared to the Pulse Elite. It uses an older and lower sensor from Pixar, which is the 3325. 600 milliamps battery capacity, RGB at the back and inside, and it weighs around 78 grams for the price of 1,495 or just 20 bucks. It's a small mouse with a great shape, decent enough for casual gaming, and is comfortable enough for daily use. Now, what's interesting about these wireless mouse is that they both have a hot-swap switch feature but have a different implementations. Right now, these are the two wireless mouse that have a hot-swap feature as far as I know. So, let's do a quick comparison right about now. So, the Pulse Elite uses a plastic tray to secure the switch properly to avoid the switches from flying over easily while in use. It's very easy to remove and there's no need to use a tool like a puller or something. You just need to mount and place them properly. The Bulus, on the other hand, is just as straightforward and easier to remove, but it's a bit worrisome because it's a literal hot swap where you can just use your fingers to remove and replace the switches without any locks. So it's a bit risky when there's no clips holding the switches, so you have to be gentle while using this mouse. Now, why the heck do you need a hot swap feature in your mouse? Well, the answer is very simple. But before that, please hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Since these mouse are already modular where you can remove and replace both shells with your fingertips, why not make the switches hot swappable? Makes sense, right? So that you won't have to desolder and solder anymore because not everyone can do that or have the time to do so. The next thing is, if you're looking to try other mouse switches and want to test them right away, then you can just do that easily, or if one of your switch or both switches are having an issue like double clicking and not responsive, you can just replace them right away. So, it's the hot swap feature for the mouse is the new must-do or must-have for other brands, especially the big brands. Well, of course, not really. This isn't a mechanical keyboard hobby where you can choose tons of different switches and go crazy. Because mouse switches are not that many and I think it's good enough to keep it that way. But I do think that the bigger brands should consider implementing a mouse with a different switch variant so the consumers can choose their preferred switches on the mouse they want to buy. So, do you want your mouse to have an hot swap switches too? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's just about it. I will see you again next time. Stay safe and keep it clean. Goodbye.